Record naman. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Rinaldo Diaz Jr. So, I will demonstrate the four main principle of object-oriented programming, OOP in encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So, encapsulation, the animal class of private field name and age. So, morning kon name of age na gamit na to. And provides public getter method to access that field that protect the internal stage of the object. So, inheritance that dog and class inherit the inherit from the animal class allow them to use its properties and methods. So mao ni ang kuan class sa dog. Ang pangalan sa class sa dog ay kuan sa man. Ang pangalan sa class sa dog ay kuan Lovely and sa pangalan sa class sa cat kay Cathy. So sa polymorphism that make sounds make method in over overridden in the dog and cat classes when call on animal reference and dynamically determine which method of the execute based on the actual object type. So abstract this example used to abstract by defining a general animal class, while the specific implements dog and cat focus on the inquired behavior. So, kanyang mga class na yung mga sarili na behavior sa class sa uban na class. Pag giranay mo ni siya, mo ning output niya. So, ang pangalan sa dog kay Bubbly and ang gingon niya kay Arb. Sa cat naman, ay sa cat kay Cat. Cat ang pangalan. Ang gingon niya ni Meow.